In this video, I want to answer the common question that we hear a lot, which is if my accuser doesn't come in and testify at trial in a sexual assault case, will I be able to beat the case? And the answer is usually yes. Well, from the defense perspective, that's really, really good, right? Because without the alleged victim, without the accuser's testimony, what is there? Well, in sexual assault cases, there sometimes can be certain things that could still get in that in this instance actually still resulted in the defendant, this former Idaho representative, being convicted of sexual assault. What happened was that strategy backfired for this Idaho defendant's defense team because the jury still convicted him. So really, really unique case, really, really important case as it relates to sexual assault accusers not testifying at trial, confrontation clause, that the criminal defendant has a right to confront and cross-examine all witnesses against him or her. Really a bedrock of our principle in criminal law in the United States, and obviously passed on to each individual state. But not always as easy as we may think in a sexual assault case. A lot of strategy still goes in play. The hope is that strategy works out well if you know what you're doing and have a plan in place. By all accounts, it looked like they were going down that path in Idaho as the defendant was concerned. It did not ultimately go the way that they thought, the way that a lot of people, myself included, thought it was going to go. So much so that, the Daily Beast published an article, I think, the next day talking about how shocking that verdict was when it came down. And not only did it come down where you have multiple, 12 people unanimously agreeing to convict beyond any and all reasonable doubt, it came down within a short amount of time with only just a couple of hours of deliberation. So if you find yourself accused of sexual assault, you find yourself going to trial on a case, you have questions about what can and cannot get into evidence, you want your case evaluated, you want to either make a change with your current attorney or bring on our firm, hopefully earlier rather than later, to get in, to start representing you the right way, give us a call, 619-295-3555. Again, for 619-295-3555.